Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the windshield wiper blades. Something that's really important to do. Try to do it every season, but it's really easy here. If you put your finger behind here, there's a lever that you just lift up on. Okay? And then you want to push the blade in toward the middle of the car. So once you lift this lever up, it unclips, but you have to use some force to get the blade off. So I'm using quite a bit of force here. So you got the clip up, hold it up while you're doing it. Okay, and you want to hold the blade as flat as you can, because if you have it at an angle, it's going to be harder to get off. So here I'm holding it right now. And there you go. So if you see right here, that little clip, that's the thing that holds it in. So you just want to hold up on that. Here, I'll try to show you guys here. So that little clip right there, you push up on it and hold it as you're pushing the blade the opposite direction, and it'll unclip from the arm. It's really easy. You guys can do it yourself. No need to take it to a dealer, because I think they do charge you for that, or they're going to upsell you on the price of the part, and I'll put the part number below. Get them for like 15 bucks. But here, as you can see, that little hole, that's where the clip goes into. So you just want to pull that clip up. And like I said, you have to use some force, but you'll feel it start to move, and then you're good to go, okay? So then once you got your new one, same, it's actually easier, but here's your new one, okay? And you see the letters on it. If you see that, you would think it'd go that way, but it doesn't. That would be backwards. So it's kind of weird. So you want to flip it so the letters are upside down. Kind of weird how they design it like that, but that's how it goes. Okay, so it's going to be upside down like that. And you'll know because the clip part has to be toward the middle of the window. So this is the easy part. You just line it up here and put it in the groove, and then you don't have to hold the clip, you just pull. So pull the blade towards you and pull the arm the opposite direction, and you'll hear a clip. You'll hear the little pop. And that's all you do. And it should be able to move freely like that, like pivot. Very simple. You do the other one the same way. The other one's just longer, same exact way you do it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys so you don't go to the dealer, spend 50 bucks to get some windshield wipers replaced. I'll put a link below, a Honda parts store you can get them, and just do it yourself. Very easy to do. You don't have to worry about someone scratching your car or nothing like that, taking it in. And it's one less thing, you know. It's nice when you can just do it yourself. Hope that helps you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, and I will catch you guys next time.